Hello everyone, good day. This is Mary, your reporter of the day. So today I am discussing to you about our topic, which is the lesson 3, cooperative learning. Objectives. In this lesson, you will be able to first define cooperative learning. Second, explain the importance of cooperative learning strategies. Third, identify also may mga elements of cooperative learning. And discuss the different cooperative learning strategies. So, what is cooperative learning? So, we all know or we are very familiar naman about cooperative learning since kanang ginagamit naman din nato in today's curriculum. No, I know this is very effective sa ato ang tanan, dili lang sa mga bata, kundi sa mga dagko. It's called small group learning. An instructional strategy employment by instructors where small groups of learners collaborate in accomplishing a common task. So, dili siya matawag og cooperative learning, no, if ikaw lang isa. So, dili siya mo work. Okay? So, matawag siya cooperative learning if kanang naka-group of people and then you are working together. CTE, no, Career and Technological Education, is a broad educational program that combines academic and technical skills with a real-world experience para ma-prepare ang students, no, for the workplace on. For example, ani sa atong senior high school, diba, na-engage naman tayo ng mga automotive, no, which is kanang nag-engage siya ng cooperative for each of one of us. So we have the elements of cooperative learning strategies. No, according to David Johnson and Roger Johnson, 1999, A. Positive interdependence. If we say positive interdependence, it refers to a collaborative relationship where individuals or group of people work together. No, mo ni sila ang nag-share sila ang common goals and then outcomes. Okay? So, naadili ang kanang open communication. Next, face-to-face interaction. So, kanang when we engage cooperative learning, dapat na face-to-face interaction so that dila magud magsugod kanang we can build trust to each other, right? So, ma-increase ko na to, ma-motivate ta, ma-encourage, no? Kay nindot manggod kana ang cooperative learning if kailangan tanan di ka nag-cooperate, no? Nindot ko siya kanang nindot pod ka ayong sige lang kang kanang mo pansin ka, cooperate. Next, letter C, individual and group accountability. So, pasabot ani, no, kanang your responsibility each of one sa mga members of a group, no. So, kanang dapat you are very responsible pod, no, as a member in a certain group. So, next, we have the group behavior. So, dili nato kanang like what we call, dili makita ang kanang behavior sa isa ka student if kanang ni-cooperate ba siya or wala. Letter E, group processing. No, it refers to the reflections, analysis, and evaluation of group interactions and outcome to improve collaborative achievement and common goals. So, when you are if you are already achieve your kanang goals at a certain activity, syempre, panjud mo, mag-brainstorming sa inyong mga ka-groupmates. So, next. So, what are the importance of cooperative learning? No, so, cooperation affect group and individual achievements, healthier relationship with peers, more metacognition, and higher psychological health and self-esteem. Johnson and Johnson, 1989. Implemented well, no, it encouraged learners' achievements, discussions, and achievements participation, fosters self-confidence, and motivate learners. Next, it is important to us as a learners because collaborating with other learners may develop our skills, no, which are different skills from they may develop in working independently. And last, using cooperative learning, no? Cooperative groups not only provide opportunities for the learners to develop interpersonal skills, but also provide genuine learning experience that will help them. So next, cooperative learning strategies. Natay ka ng mga strategies no, that kanang we as a future educator, it would help us puhon, no, para kanang to become an effective teacher. So first, we have number heady together. It is a cooperative learning strategy that promotes accountability among learners for learning materials. So, kaning number heady, no? For example, ang teacher kanang nag-count siya kanang 1, kanang you are the group 1, 2, and 3. And then, kanang the teacher asks, no, questions, present, no, or kanang a teacher ask questions or present a problem. Then, they will work together. Inihuman ana, kanang they share their understanding and then they will present it in front of the class. So next, naatay think, pair, and share. It is a cooperative learning technique that encourages every learners to participate and is applicable to all grade level and class sizes. Thinking is done with these 3 steps. Think. Members of the group think independently to form ideas of their own about the posted question. No, so kaning think, pair, and share. Kasagara mo ni gigamit nato, no, like kanang we are kanang pair ta, and then each one of us kanang maguna-una, no, and then kanang ininhuman, no, learners group into pairs, no, to discuss their ideas. Magkuan din ta kanang mag-collaborate ang duha, no. So nanadayon ni ang share, no, we share our thoughts and ideas unsa may mga kanang maayo buhaton para ma-achieve nato ang learning goal, learning activity, no, ana. So next, we have jigsaw group strategy. It is called jigsaw because the member of the class are organized into jigsaw groups, after which the learners are recognized into experts groups containing one member from one jigsaw group. So kani siya, no, so a class divided into 4 or 6, and then each kuan mo gitawag ang leader sa isa ka group, no, mo na siya ang gitawag o expert, which is siya ang gadala. So mo na siya ang jigsaw. This will be all of my report. Thank you.